Okay, guys. What you need is a long screwdriver. Well, flat, not long, but flathead screwdriver. Go inside these holes and just, hang on, let me focus her in. Just press down on those little rubber garments where your bolts go through. And they're all out. Now, you don't want to put these garments in just yet. You do that after. Now, if there's any crud in these, which this one obviously does, now this one has like a lip and a bubble, round and just flat, goes down. Same thing with these. You guys might want to see me install the tap cover. See how to put it in. You want to check, make sure your O-rings are still intact. These center pieces, which mine just came out. Now you guys might want to use ATV silicone to hold these in. Red ATV silicone, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm going to pull this back out. And get some red ATV, just enough to hold them. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, well, I'm back. I got some red ATV silicone. Red ATV silicone. All you want to do is just put a little dot in just two corners. Just a little bit to hold it. Now let's put the tap cover back on. And you guys were wondering, for these tap covers for this car, it's $51 for rubber gaskets. Okay, we're in. Now this is when you start putting these guys in. These guys just get installed here. Just push them in. Then you take your handy dandy bolts that you have laying around. Where we laid them. You can push them in. Hang on, gotta set you back up. And you just keep repeating that process. Until you get them all in there. Now, recommended socket to use would be a 10mm swivel socket. Not extension, but a 10mm swivel socket. That way you can get into these tight locations. So I'll catch you guys in a few when I get it bolted down. Yeah, and you might want to remove the power steering pump and the radiator holes in the back to get to the back tap covers. That would be helpful, and remove all your wiring so you have play in the wire harness when you're doing this tap cover. So I'll catch you guys later then. See ya. Okay guys, I'm back. Just got done pulling the old oil filter out. I just cleaned that up, wiped it out as best I could, get all the sludge out of it, and then just drop your new oil filter in. Now a Fram oil filter. That's what I run. It's a Fram or Farm or whatever you call it. Here's the old oil filter, which it looks like the same filter I'm using now. That's what they look like when they get old. But there'll be a gasket in them. Don't worry about this little gasket because there ain't no place for an intrigue. So give me a minute. Let me walk clear across the building. Fram. It is a Fram. It's a Fram extra guard 3 times protection. There's your number for these. It's a CH8765. So I'm assuming this is universal for them all. So I'm gonna get back and do my oil change. You guys should know how to do an oil change, so we'll start it up for you guys in a few. See ya. Okay guys, here's what's going on. Motor's all together. I skipped a lot of crap. She fires up, I'll do a tune-up. My dad was helping me, so he don't like being on camera, so we got this all together. Right now, she's hot. Just drained the freaking oil underneath. So she's drained. Here's what I'm working on now. So we're going to do this. I'm putting new oil filter in it, and we're going to call it good. Alright guys, got something to tell you guys. I know my car's got a cam position sensor problem, so just deal with it. If I can start first move. So I'll catch you guys later then.